up mushrooms. You'd never know they were mushrooms because they are so flavorful and awesome. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. And the main ingredient today is Tango Joe's Tango Spicy Italian. Yeah. I will leave the original recipe down in the description for you, but I do not stick to the original recipe, and I got that from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. I make my own. I do it different than her. Your choice to just take it down below or go see Helga on her channel making it. Alright, the rain settled down a little bit. So what I'm going to show you, visual pictures of what I'm using today. So we got olive oil, breaded crumbs, the Italian style. I got some oregano, basil, some Tango Joe, Tango Spice, Italian seasoning. I'll leave a link to Tango Joe's website if you would like to go purchase this actual product, and he has other products. And then we got some cheddar garlic, and then we got the baby bellas, the Philadelphia cream cheese, sea salt, and chives. And then I've got a pan they're going in, and the cheese. I think it's a 6 cheese Italian that you will see. Let's get it going. So pretty much that crew you see right there is going to be the part that is going to be in the stuffing. Yeah, there you go. Let's put that together. The Philadelphia cream cheese. We go in with a whole one. And then what you're going to be doing, eventually when you get everything in there, I let it sit out a couple hours. You're going to be mixing it up like that with that fork. Get that goodness all blended in. Get some of your minced garlic. Papa likes garlic. Let's put that right there. And mine, we're going to add a little bit of sea salt. There we go. So here's the Tango Joe. Italian seasoning. Rome is burning. This is the one I'll leave a link to down below if you're wanting to go try it. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons. Ooh. 1, 2. And then something that's not in the original recipe is some basil and some oregano. And now we will commence to just blend it all in together like that, and we'll be right back. Alright, for my taste test, there was 2 things I needed more of. I needed more garlic. I needed some more Italian seasoning like that. I'll mix it up and be right back after taste test. Alright, that mix right there just kicked it up a notch. It's Papa Texas style now, baby. You take one of them little scoopers or just a spoon. You make a steak and you plop that on that steak when you pull it off, and it's just going to just float around and just melt into your steak. And that's freaking awesome. Right there it is. 6 cheese Italian. This one's Sargento. I need to make a t-shirt called that was 8 ounces, by the way. I need to make a t-shirt called Don't Forget the Cheese. Alright, the cheese is added. Look how much more it added to my blend, so I feel a lot better. Alright, now it's time to deal with the Baby Bella mushroom. All you do is just click it, boom, it comes out. There you go. Alright, so we got all the stems pulled out. I do this a couple different ways. Usually I bathe them. We're just doing a little shower. I'm going to get in there, and I want that goodness of oil to get inside every crack of that mushroom. I want it to get on the bottom, top, everything. Alright, let's get to stuffing. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is spray some olive oil on the bottom. And what you'll do is you're going to cook these for about 20 minutes, excuse me. For about 20 minutes. Stuff them like that. We got a couple more things to put on that. So you're going to fill these up just like this. Stuff them. Make sure it gets down in there like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cook them at about 275 for 20 minutes, 25 minutes. You keep an eye on them. And it's going to smell up your house or your backyard for sure. And we'll be back. I'm going to fill this up. I'll be back to show you what we do next. Oh, by the way, I'm cooking in the Z Grill's pellet smoker today on this cook. So as you can see, I used the whole pound of mushrooms, and this is what I was left over with. What we will do, I'll put this in the freezer in a baggie or in a tub or whatever, and then I'll pull out the amount we want, and we'll cook steaks over the next 2 weeks, and balls of that will go on top to melt at that point in time. It'll be freaking awesome. What we do here is we sprinkle the goodness of the breaded crumbs Italian style on top of the mushrooms. I got my Z Grill's hat on for the occasion. They were nice enough to send that to Papa. Alright, here we go. 20 minutes, and what I'll do, I want the air all the way around it. I will flip it halfway through. There we go. I'm gonna call that done. That looks freaking awesome. Look at that goodness. Yeah, let's do a taste test. Oh, look at that. Alright, so for simplicity, that's a new word for Papa Texas. Yeah, hit that bell. Keep up with us. Let's do this. We're gonna grab this one. Right here. Oh my. The flavor. One thing different I would do on this cook, I've done this many times, is spray a little bit of avocado sauce or olive oil on top of it. But other than that, it's freaking awesome. Alright, y'all. Hang on, don't leave yet. I got one more bite. One more big bite. Gigi's got a lot of stuff in there to add to this cook. It's just me, Papa Texas. I hope you make this cook, because that's what I'm here for, is to help y'all make awesome cooks on YouTube. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen, and we'll see you next Sunday with a new cook from Papa Texas. See you.